guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss another interview question. The question is, what is an Apex transaction? Now, an Apex transaction represents a set of operations that are executed as a single unit. That is what we call as an Apex transaction. If the operation that are executed in a single unit is considered as a transaction, all the DML operation in a transaction will either complete successfully, or if there is an error occur in one of those operation, then the entire transaction will be rolled back. Now you are going to say that, hey, what's the point? Like, why do we have to roll back something which was successful? Because let's go ahead and I'll give you an example here. So let's say you have an account A and then you have an account B. Now, in the account A, you have $500 and in account B, you have $0. And you were transferring the money from account A to account B. And how many dollars you are transferring? Let's see, you are transferring the $500 from account A to account B. Now, this should be a one transaction. The process of transferring the money from A to B should be under single transaction, because if one of this operation fails, then the other operation should be rolled back. So the first step here would be retrieving the money. Retrieving the money from account A, and second step would be depositing the money to account B. So there will be two steps in this, and this will be one transaction. And why it should be one transaction, I will explain to you. So the first operation that happened was from account A to account B. So the first operation is we are retrieving the money from account A. So we are retrieving $500 from account A. So what happened now? The final balance of account A became $0. The second step is depositing the money to the account B. Now, while we are depositing the money to the account B, there was an error. There was an error here. So what happened is the money could not be deposited to account B. So there was still $0 here. We had $0 here and $0 here. Now this is the problem, because what about our $500? We were about to transfer from A to B. If B does not have $500, why A is having $0? It should be 500. So we want this negative to reverse the back. So we should have the final balance. If the operation failed from the deposit operation failed, then the retrieving operation should get rolled back. So that is what the purpose of transaction is. So in the transaction, either all the DML operations will successfully complete, or even if there is a failure or error in one of the operation, the entire transaction will be rolled back. So this is what the Apex transaction is. So in the next tutorial, we are going ahead and do an example to represent how things are done. So if something fails in Apex transaction and what happens to rest of the operation, we will study in that next tutorial. So let's meet in next tutorial. Till then, have a good day. Bye.